Howdy everybody. I'm Colton. Welcome back to Dixie Roots. Hit the subscribe button. And this is the human bird feeder. Now that smells delicious. We're covering myself with peanut butter.
In my fingers.
And then we're going to throw bird seed on me and I'm going to sit out here and see if a bird will eat.
Is your milk?
I ain't using it yet. I hope not. I'm terrified of birds. I got the camouflage on. This is stupid. I'm every fat girl's dream right now.
Another butter?
Covered in peanut butter. I can see them licking the TV screen right now. The computer screen.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Okay, step 1 is complete. Step 2, we're going to bring in some help. Now for the dousing.
Okay.
Watch them come up here to all this spilt bird seed instead of where I'm sitting.
Okay. Go back up for a second.
Whoa!
Hang on.
Hey, we probably should have covered it and then we put it on, huh?
That would probably been the smart thing to do.
Am I covered good?
No.
Alright, do this. Take your feet out. I mean, your feet. You got them all in your shoes and your ghillie suit. I meant your leg, not your whole outfit. You're going to spill all your bird seed. Take your foot. Okay. Hang on, you've unbuttoned your poncho here.
Pants falling down. It's a disaster. Alright, I'm going to get set up and I'll come back to y'all in a minute. What is in my britches? Gosh darn sticks. Man. Crap. Get off of me. I can't get it. Man, that's a disaster there. Ow, is that briars? What is that? Man, this thing picks everything up. Okay. Let me make sure this is in the frame. I swear it's a briar. What is that? God. That's better. I guess now we wait. The key is to be very still. As still as we can be. I think squirrels like peanut butter. Them squirrels scare the heck out of me though. Y'all seen that show 1,000 Ways to Die? This is top 10 right here. Man covered in bird seed gets attacked by a rabid squirrel. Wonder how long this will take. I ain't got that long. I'm ready to quit. I see birds flying all around. I smell like a peanut butter cookie. I know y'all wondering, how in the heck did he get here? Well, that's a long story. I got the camera about 15 feet away from me between 2 pine trees, trying to blend it in. But basically how I got here is, well, I ain't real sure. I swear to God, if something attacks me, it's kind of uncomfortable, I ain't gonna lie. Wished I had one of them, something for my face. Like one of them, like mask, like a hockey mask. I'm wearing my glasses so they don't peck my eyes out. I think we need to move up towards the house. I've been sitting down here a while. Let's move up by the bird feeder. Okay. Now I'm under the bird feeder. Y'all see that bird feeder behind me? Oh God, I just seen a shadow. Courtney and Lily's on the porch. I hope I don't get crapped on. Right on my hat, probably. Hey, honey. Let me know if you see a squirrel beating feet towards me. I'm gonna get quiet for a minute. We'll fast forward through it. Oh my God, I heard the wings. That was close. I'm freaking out right now, man. Freaking out. I wonder what the neighbors think. If they know me, they won't think nothing of it. Just a robin. Please don't let a bird land on me. There's a crackhead over here hollering. I'm pretty sure she's a crackhead. I'm not gonna... Yeah, she crackhead. Crackhead. I'm kind of getting hungry. I don't think it's gonna work. God, shut up, dog. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna call it. It's getting cool. Stupid birds. All behind me. They just wouldn't land on me. Epic fail. Gone wrong. Y'all like, subscribe, share, comment, do something to help this video out, and we'll see y'all on the next one. This sucks. This is stupid. Honey, you want to come cut me out of this?